How to tell if you've picked a good niche. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you the 4 factors that indicate that you've chosen a good niche for your online business. Finding the right niche for your business can be a daunting task. If you've narrowed down your list but still can't decide which niche you should choose, here are 4 factors that indicate that you've chosen a profitable niche. Is it profitable online? Many popular niches are profitable. However, your chosen niche might only be profitable offline, where the bulk of sales are done in person. For example, luxury watches are a profitable niche, but much of the transactions are conducted in person at a specialty retailer. Take some time to think about whether your niche idea is one that people will be willing to purchase online. Does it have a clear online business model? The last thing you want to do when you're starting a business is reinvent the wheel. Take a look at other websites in your niche and see if you can see how they are making their money. Are they making money from advertisements? Are they selling their own products? Or are they making recurring monthly income with a membership site? You want to find signs that others are making money in your niche and follow their lead. Does it fulfill a passion or solve a problem? 2 kinds of niches are best for marketing purposes. Those where someone has a severe problem they need a solution for, or those where people are incredibly passionate about the topic. When people are incredibly excited about a topic, or have a serious problem they need to be solved, they will flock to your niche if you can provide them with the solution. Is there a lot of competition? Whether you believe it or not, competition is a good thing. Whatever niche you find, someone else already knows about it. And 99% of the time, someone is already making money with it. When a niche has competition, it means that it's in high demand, and that people are looking for information and are willing to spend money. If the niche you've chosen has a lot of competition, then it means you've picked a good niche. If you are unsure if the niche that you have chosen is a good one or will be profitable, check to see if it shares these 4 factors. If you can answer yes to the 4 questions mentioned above, then you know you found a good niche.